Hello everyone, welcome to EasySend's Workflow Manager tutorial. In this video, we'll cover email output. We can add an email output for different phases of a step, to send messages to users according to different scenarios, when starting a digital process, after submitting it, and also to remind users to start or finish one. Let's go to the builder and see how to use it. On the Webflow screen, click the Workflow Manager option. Now we're looking at the Workflow Manager screen that contains steps with roles we created in a previous video. To configure an email output, click the Configure button. On the new window, select the phase you want to add a new email output to. Next, click Add New Output and select Email. Once the output is added, click Edit. On the Email Details window, configure the email. Start by providing a name. Select the environment and recipients. They can be dynamic email addresses by adding data items from the model or static ones. Select a template if one is available, and type the subject of the email. Enter the content of the email. The content is written in HTML, which enables you to adjust the design to your needs. If the email is intended for the start phase, add a link of the digital process to it. Select if you want to add any attachments to the email. If advanced configuration is required, set a reply preference and choose between different PDF encryption options. If necessary, set a condition that will prevent the email from being sent if it's fulfilled. A condition consists of at least one logical expression with the following parameters: selector, operator, and value. Start with adding a selector by selecting a data item from the model. Continue and select the operator that will determine the logic relation between the selector to the value. Lastly, input a value that can be a static or a dynamic data item from the model. To add an additional logical expression to the condition, click the Add button and repeat the described steps. Remember, if more than one logical expression is defined, an operation between them must be selected. When you're done, click the Save and Back option. If the output is intended for the auto reminder phase, set the trigger that will send the email and the time. For additional information about email output, make sure to click the link in the video's description and check out our knowledge base and its articles. That's it for now. See you in our next videos.